Okay, in today's video, we're going to be talking Instagram, and we're going to be talking how you can schedule your Instagram posts. We're looking at a site called Canva today, and we're going to be showing you how you can do it through there. But also make sure you stay tuned and subscribe to the channel because we're going to obviously doing more videos about Instagram as well, and different ways you can actually schedule your posts as well. Without further ado, let's jump across to Canva and we'll show you exactly how you can schedule Instagram posts. Okay, so we've come in to what we call canva.com. So Canva is a site where you can go and create a lot of your social media images, posts. You can also do things like videos, and you can print products and marketing material, all that sort of thing in Canva. So make sure you check Canva out today. I'll put a link in the description here where you can go and check it out. They do have a free account, but in order to do the scheduling, you will need a pro account. Now it only costs about $10 a month, and if you do a lot of obviously social media stuff that requires images such as Instagram, then it's certainly going to be well worth your the $10 in order to do this. You need to do now is go across to create a design. Then we're going to use Instagram Postsquare one for this video. So we'll select that, and as you can see, we've got a template that comes up. Loads of different templates down the side here that you can use. So for argument's sake, let's just click on this burger one. So if you had a restaurant or something like that, fast food chain, you could obviously post this, and you could obviously edit all these details here, put your own website, telephone number, etc. And then all you need to do is go up to share, and then you want to click schedule. Now if schedule doesn't come up, obviously I've used it before here, so that's why it's come up, but if you just search schedule in here, it will then come up if it's not available here. So click on schedule. Now we can choose the time and the date we want this to actually be posted. Okay, so we're just going to go with maybe the Wednesday the 10th, and we're going to go try AM, and we'll probably do 11:40 AM, just in time for lunch. So we click on next. Okay, then we've got to select a channel. So if your channel's not actually connected here, you will need to connect it. So we just select the channel. Now I've obviously got my Pinterest connected, but not my Instagram. So I need to go to select a channel. Now I'm able to choose Instagram business, and you have to connect via Facebook. Okay, so this then obviously we will continue as me. And as you can see here, this is my Instagram business account here. So we click on that. Then we click next. Now you've also got Facebook pages here, so you can click on all, or we're going to just scroll down. And we'll choose the Internet Marketing Secret Service and click. And then click done. Then we just click OK. And as you can see over here now, we've got this account actually set up. So we just need to select the account. We can then write a caption here, so we can obviously put whatever we want here and add in our tags, etc. And then what we do is we can either save as a draft, so you can do these in advance if you want, and then come back and schedule them, or you can then just literally schedule your post by clicking schedule here. It's preparing your design, and there we go. And if you come here, you can make a copy of that if you wanted to, and you could go to your content planner. As you can see here, this tells you what you've got planned for each day. It actually shows you. So that's how quick and easy you can actually schedule Instagram posts, okay, using Canva. Don't forget, I'll put a link in the description below here where you can get Canva Pro. You can also get it on a 30-day trial as well, remember that. So you can go and test this out and check it out for yourself before you actually have to upgrade. Okay, trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch this video next, And also, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We'll see you on the next video.